So for those of you who are still finding it difficult to add images and use your Acode Editor, so what you have to do is to go to your Acode Editor. So this is a simple image that I added to my Acode Editor. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So to do that, let me just close this file. So first of all, what you want to do is to click on this three dot at the right side of the screen. So click on it. The next thing you want to click on is Files. Click on Files. It will show this prompt error for the first time. You click OK, then do it again. Inside Files, what you want to do is to click on Add Path. So when you click on Add Path, what you want to do is to first of all click on this plus, this plus that has this yellow sign, then click on Add Path. So when you click on Add Path, you want to select a folder. So let's click on the select folder. It will show you all the folder on your phone. So if you want to create a new folder, you can just simply click on create new folder here. If you have this one on your screen, but if you don't have this one on your screen, you can click on this other one at the top of this phone that says create folder. So you click on create folder. So we're going to call this folder Acode. Let's say Acode image. So this folder is the folder we created, Acode image. So click on it, then you click on use this folder, this blue button here, use this folder. Yours might not be blue, but just click on it, click on allow. So click on OK next. So we have our folder here that says Acode image. Okay, we have our folder there. So now we'll click on the Acode image we just created. After you click on the Acode image you just created, it should just this blue line. You see this Acode image folder we created, you see that is having a blue highlight. So it will indicate that you are inside the Acode folder. So another thing you want to do now is you click on this plus button, click on folders again, new folder. So let's create an image folder. So this image folder will hold all our images inside the Acode image. So let's say images. Let's click on the plus button again. Click on new folder again. Let's say CSS. So click on OK. So this CSS folder will hold all our CSS. So click on the plus button again. The next thing I want to click on is new file, not folder this time, new file. So let's call this one Acode underscore image underscore testing. So we're using it to test if image will show in our Acode editor. So let's say .html, click on save, then touch the Acode image testing.html, the file. So it now opens the file. So we'll start typing the HTML structure. Write HTML and then click on this HTML file snippet. When you click on it, on the title part, we just want to say testing image. Then for the meta, we can remove this meta, we don't need it now. Then for the body, let's just put a P snippet, touch the snippet. Sorry. Let's remove this one, not paragraph. Let's just say P. You just say P tag. So let's say P tag. Inside the P tag, let's write testing images. Then click on this play button at the top of the screen to view it on your browser. See testing images. So now the next thing we want to do is to bring an image into our folder. So to bring an image into our Acode folder, let's go to our internal storage on our file manager. to do that, you can just locate your file manager on your screen, click on it, go to your internal storage. So I think I have some images here. So if I enter here, I have some images here. I have car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4, my car, sorry. So I'll copy one of the image. The folder we just created, the folder we are working with is Acode image. Look at the folder there, the first one there, Acode image. So inside the images folder, inside Acode image, you paste the image you copied. You can download yours. I won't tell you how to get images now. I already know how to get images. Download your image, you copy any images you snap already, paste it inside this images folder. So I want to rename mine. Let me just rename mine to car.png. Click on save. So go back to your Acode Editor. So let's write the image tag. So for the source, because our file is inside images folder, first of all say images and then slash. The name is car.png. For the alternate, let's add cars. Let's just say car. So if you click on view now, it will not show on your Acode. The reason is because you need to specify width. So you must go back and specify width. So let's say width attribute. So the width, let's say 60 pixel. So if you save now and view it, you see it, our images is not showing on our Acode. That's how to display images on Acode. You must specify the width for the image.